You know when you've got those really annoying bits in your videos, you just want to get rid of them? Well, this is how to do it. Okay, so this continues the series on YouTube and this section on YouTube editing as well. And you can do it on videos that are already published and been published for a long time. And once you're done watching this, remember to check out the other videos in the YouTube series to get more, and subscribe if you find this useful. So let's jump into it right now. So you can see I'm logged into YouTube. Click your icon and press the YouTube Studio button. Then you'll come into the channel dashboard and you can go into videos and find the video you want to edit. Now in my case, I haven't actually published this, it's still scheduled, but I can press the pencil icon there to edit. But I'm just going to then click into the editor and you can see I've got the video editor. Now I want to get rid of this bit at the start, and you can see immediately that I've got this little timeline. I can click to do that, and if I drag it, it doesn't highlight. Okay, so what I need to do then is press trim to actually get rid of the bit at the start, and you can always preview. You see that it will just play the video here. So in this case, because it's the start, it's just cutting that bit off. Now you can see also from the audio here, and this is part of the video, I'm probably going to want to cut that out because it's about 10 seconds. So what I can also do then is put this to where I want it to be. You can see if I just do that, it's just putting rinse aid in a dishwasher. I know people want to watch this, kind of crazy to me, but anyway. And then down here press split, and where it's split there I can drag it. Okay, you see, so I can do that and I can see more or less how much it is. And if I preview, I want to press the back button 10 seconds on here. I'll mute that, but you can preview it in here just to see how it looks with that jump. And actually in this case you don't even see it, so definitely worth doing. And what I would say is just make sure you get it right. Now when I've pressed that here to preview, you see I've lost the editing buttons, I should say, as well. So if I press edit trim, then they come back down the bottom and you can see I can do that. Okay, so I can do that. And if you know it gets a little bit confusing, if you put the cursor where you want it to be, press split and then you drag and then preview, maybe put it a few seconds before, and just get into the habit of that. Yeah, I might not do that one. I can cross it if I want to undo it if it jumps a little bit too much. See, I put a split there, didn't even realize I'd done it. But definitely check it with audio as well, because even though it doesn't look like there's audio, there might be some there. But once you're happy, then you simply press preview and that will effectively be like a draft saved. It's a little bit confusing, I know, but if I'm happy with that, then what I can do is I'll simply press save up here and it will take a few hours and then it will be saved. But equally I could discard the changes. You could see I've got options as well. I could save as a new video if I want to be certain, and it gives you another list in here of all the keyboard shortcuts as well if you want to get into that. So you can see a couple of handy ones. Control plus and minus to zoom in and out. Control and 1 is to zoom to fit. So let's have a look at those. And you can see if you've got a really long video, then I'm just pressing Control and plus there and it's zoomed in, so I can get much more accurate with my timings as well. And if I press Control and 1, okay, it's not really doing anything here, but it'll put the timeline back to where it was. So there you go, that's how you edit a video, and you can also take a new one from it. The YouTube editor is a nice little tool. You can also blur parts of your video and get into all of these other things as well if you need. And now I'm just going to press save so I can push that through, and I'll get that dialog box come up. Save changes, and it does say it might take a few hours. I don't know exactly how long. I've not really watched it. I usually just do it before I go to bed and it's done by the morning always. So if I'm happy, I can press save and you'll see you get the notification down the bottom and all will be good. Remember to check out my other YouTube videos in this series to help you with your YouTube channel and keep growing it, and I'll see you in another video soon. So there you go, that's how you edit a video on YouTube. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.